We are pleased to show you the 2020 Toyota Avalon. Toyota Avalon, a solid performer with standard V6 power, lots of interior space, and a reputation for reliability. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, navigation system, traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, premium sound, security system, compass, heated steering wheel, electronic stability control, trip computer, rear window defroster, heated front seats, power windows, power moonroof, brake assist. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.